There are plenty of excuses not to paint. Here comes the counter program, a no-brainer. What are the dice saying today? Painting an animal, using ink pens, 5 different colors, no sketch allowed. My colors for today: lemon yellow, transparent red deep, Phthalo Cerulean, Sepia Brown, and Ivory Black. 30 minutes starting now. Head off, art on. I was searching on Unsplash for a photo where I can use all the bright colors like lemon yellow and Phthalo Cerulean, and I found a bird taken by Kevin Müller. And I painted it from the top to the bottom, letting the colors merge together. So it was a mix between wet on wet and wet on dry. For the branch, I used my brown tones. I painted the body mostly with lemon yellow and transparent red deep, and the wings were out of Phthalo Cerulean and some brown and the Ivory Black for the shadows. The proportions are not the same as in the photo reference. The tail I painted is much smaller because the paper wasn't as big, but I like it nevertheless. I painted a second layer of lemon yellow and transparent red deep. And there is also a little splattering inside the body to loosen it up. As I enjoyed the stripes in the background in my last picture with a woman, I decided to do them again, but in 2 directions, from left to right and from top to the bottom, and then splashing around a little bit. By the way, if you'd like to join me more often and watch me work in real time to see how my pictures come together and sometimes what goes wrong, then feel free to check out my Patreon channel. You'll find the link at the bottom of the video description. In the end, I am painting some shadows, splashing around a little bit, adding some structure to the branch, and using my ink pen, like the dices decided this time. Well, that's it. How do you like it? See you next time. Have a nice day. With warmth, Angela.